Mighty Me as a mission and subsequently Dr. Kalam's Mighty Minds Innovation Program as an effort, aims to find, preserve and nurture the mighty traits in every child such as curiosity, innocence, inquisitiveness, empathy, kindness, never give up attitude, honesty etc. Often what adults oversimplify as cute questions of children is actually their genuine curiosity. Curiosity is the precursor to creativity. We at Dr. Kalam's Mighty Minds Innovation Program want to discover and nurture these cute questions and help them take form of creative innovations. Hence, the motto of our second round is Cuteness to Creativity. The students participating in the second round are encouraged to innovate under the following categories. Topic for innovation is A, B, C, D, E and F. A stands for Application to Impact. Under this category, a student can come out with an idea for any application or website to solve major world problems such as helping people correct habits, overcome addictions, or improve skills in innovative, fun, and previously unexplored ways. Developing a public information sharing mechanism to crowdsource data for authorities to take action. For example, an app to click a photo of a garbage dump in a city and locate it on a map for real-time monitoring of waste management. Creating ideas to reduce and address issues like cybercrimes and cyberbullying. Exploring how AI can be used to solve real-world problems. B stands for Build for Betterment. Students under this category are encouraged to build concepts and ideas to solve for society. Some ideas can be around, but not limited to, preventing road and railway accidents and mishaps, reducing traffic congestion, building innovative products to improve productivity and reduce time and effort for people, innovating solutions to improve public health and health of individuals, developing products for a safer and better society. C stands for Children Solving for Parents. Under this category, students can develop solutions to assist their parents or other parents in their day-to-day tasks or parenting in general. For example, creating innovative games that help parents instill discipline and obedience in children. Building devices to assist and help parents with domestic chores. Innovating solutions to help parents ensure safety of their children. Developing tools to help parents monitor their children's safety outside the home. Creating solutions to help parents reduce their children's screen time and other digital distractions. D stands for Design for the World. Under this category, students are encouraged to design and create ideas that are aimed to solve major world problems. Some examples of this can be innovating in the field of transportation, exploring alternative energy sources, creating solutions to reduce the consumption of natural resources and energy, innovative products and design modifications to help differently abled people and people with challenges, introducing new concepts, mechanisms, and designs to reduce human effort, improving designs to increase functionalities of existing products and tools. E stands for Eco-Friendly Ideas and Environmental Sustainability. Students choosing this category are encouraged to innovate on ideas to save environment and reduce pollution and waste. Some topics under this category can be developing and exploring eco-friendly alternatives, innovating solutions to mitigate the impacts of climate change and extreme weather, creating ideas to manage, reuse, reduce, and recycle waste efficiently, developing systems to efficiently monitor and manage carbon footprints and other environmental impacts of human activities, proposing policy innovations to encourage and reward eco-friendly behavior. F stands for Frugal and Fantastic. When one talks about innovations in India, our Jugaad, frugal innovation, can't be left behind. This category celebrates the spirit of Jugaad to make life easier. Students can explore coming up with innovative, cost-effective solutions to solve problems, using alternative materials to address resource constraints, exploring ideas to repurpose and use waste and discarded products, Applying traditional knowledge to solve modern problems. Discovering unexpected use cases or new applications for existing solutions. Students working on ideas that do not fall under any of the above categories or subcategories can apply under the miscellaneous category as well.